Wow, okay. So what Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to get my curly haircut. It's really bright here, but I'm gonna get my curly haircut and I want to take you guys with me. This is what my hair is looking like after literally 5 days of it being in a bun. But I'm gonna show you guys what my hair is looking like in the mirror. This is what my hair is looking like. This is how long it is. I need to fix the strap. But yeah, this is pretty much how long it is. Just like me looking forward, and obviously it's stretched out right now, but either way it's still pretty long. And I did get it like cut trimmed in February and it's August, so it's been a few months now. But yeah, I'll see you guys once I get to the salon. It's a new curly hair salon. It's called Texture Curl Bar. I'll leave all their information right here. I'll leave their Instagram or something. It's a brand new curly hair salon. If you're in the area, well, I'm in Reading, PA. The salon is in West Reading, I believe. If not, it's technically why I'm missing. I don't know. I'll leave their information here, but yeah, definitely check out her Instagram. I'm just really excited to go check her out because she's like done my sisters, my cousins, my niece, my aunts, like everybody's hair out here. So yeah, I know that she's done a good job and I'm excited to see what she can do for my hair. I really want to get like some face framing layers and like definitely shorten it up a little bit, like cut some of this length off, but we'll see what happens when I get to the salon. And we just pulled up to the salon, Texture Curl Bar in West Reading. I got a really good parking, but yeah, so I just got here and I have like 5 minutes into my appointment, so I'm gonna walk in a little bit. Sorry, I'm trying to situate this thing, but yeah, really excited. And I just scratched my face. That hurt, but yeah, I can't wait to get my hair cut and hopefully I can record in there. Hopefully it's good vibes. So I'm gonna start dry. Yeah. And then we'll have Marisol shampoo you. And then when you come back, I'm gonna cut the hair wet. Okay. Have you had a curly cut before? I had a Rizo's cut like in February. Okay. Yeah. And that was done dry? Yes. What products do you use on your hair now? I use like, well, Cantu curl cream is my favorite and it makes my hair look the best. Okay. Like I always go back to that. The really thick ones? Yeah. Okay. And then besides that, I like to, like if I'm trying new things, I like using mousse in my hair or like foam. I like foam. So you like foam for volume as opposed to gel? Yes. Okay. We can do foam if you want. Yeah, yeah. Have you ever used Weedad before? No, I never did. Okay. So we have a couple of brands. We have Weedad, we have Rizo's Curls, and we have Mazzani. So I think you could really use any one of those lines and they would work really well. Yeah. It depends more of like what the final product is that you're looking for. I like it when it's more volume. It doesn't have to be super defined. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so if you're looking for more volume, not so much definition, I think the gel. Okay. And I have a curl cream, so we might use the moisture, well not the shampoo and conditioner, but the leave-in for this line. It's like a milk. Okay, yeah. And then we can use the mousse. That's what I typically use for my clients who want bigger hair, but still they want to keep that moisture in it. So we might go with that. Yeah, looks good. Right. Okay. How did you hear about the salon? My sister, my mom, my niece, everybody came here. Oh, really? Yeah. Oh, I know. Christina? Yes. Yeah. Okay. Oh, that's right. You're in the military. Okay. Yeah, and she broke your knees last week. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, the whole family and your aunt. Yeah. Okay, look here. Okay. Are you ready? I'm actually kind of nervous, but I'm gonna do it because I keep saying I'm gonna cut it and I don't cut it. Yeah. Okay. Let's go on your lens. Okay. So I'm gonna pull it back. I'm just gonna pull it together. This is not gonna be precise or anything. Just want to get that length. Yeah. You see it there? It's been a day of lots of cutting today. Okay. Wow. Okay. So what do you think? We're not even done yet. That's just the guide. Okay. How is that? Like where it sits now? That's good. That's good? Okay. Let me see. Oh my god. No, that's good. Okay. It's good? Okay, let me just give it a one Do you want your hair?
No, no.
No,
It goes fast though, so it should be good.
yeah, I just saw. Okay. We're halfway there. So I'm gonna apply the product on soaking wet hair. I'm gonna use a little bit of the detangle spray. This is all from the same line that she used for you in the back.
Okay.
The advanced climate control. I'm gonna use the feather light cream first, and I'm gonna apply it to the whole back section for now. And I'm gonna section it out. I'm gonna use the gel. I'm gonna do with the bend brush is do a half turn, and that's gonna pop up your curls to give you a really, really nice definition.
And sometimes I'll use like a brush in the front to make it like more defined, but yeah. I think my sister always uses one though too.
Yeah, I taught her to do this too. You can see like how nice and inspiring the curls. Hey guys, so I wanted to get on here and kind of share with you guys my experience. Also, I needed to cut off the background noise of this video because I was not trying to get copyrighted from the salon music. But I had a really good experience at the Texture Curl Bar, and I'm really happy that I went to get my hair cut. As you guys can see, the initial cut of my hair, I was a little bit shook. I'm not gonna lie. I was a little bit shook. It's still taking me a while to get used to this short hair. I really kind of miss my long hair, but she did a wonderful job, and you guys didn't really get to see the actual cutting of the curly hair, but she did cut my hair while it was wet, which is a little bit different than a Reese's cut or a diva cut. But yeah, she has her own unique style. She created this cut herself, so if you guys want to check it out, you're gonna have to go to her salon. But to style my hair, she did use the Weedad Advanced Climate Control products. She used the Feather Light Styling Cream and the Advanced Climate Control Gel. This was the first time I ever used them on my hair, and I did like them. I think my hair came out really nice. The gel definitely gave me a little bit more of a defined look, as she did explain to me. I know in the beginning we talked about how I wanted my hair to have more volume and that I really like using mousse, but we did go over and just kind of discuss things, and we ended up going with the gel instead. But yeah, I did purchase the gel, and I'm gonna get my hands on the styling cream or the feather light cream so I can just mess around with them on my own, and maybe I'll do an updated like short curly hair video soon, so stay tuned. I also really like how she explained everything as she was styling my hair, and something different that she did use was a Denman brush. I never ever use a Denman brush. I'll go in sometimes with a Tangle Teezer with like the face framing layers or like the crown of my head, but I never use a brush on my whole entire head. So that'll also leave my hair looking a little bit different once I get to styling it on my own. But yeah, overall it was a really good experience, and it's a new curly hair bar. I'm really excited because it's something new and something that my city needs. This is my hometown. I'm from Reading, and there's so many curly girls. I feel like this is like the first actual curly specific hair salon, and I just think it's awesome, and it's just such a great idea, a great business idea, and I'm so happy that she created this, and I hope her business prospers. Definitely go check her out, and yeah, I'll get back to the video. So I chopped it off. I literally chopped my hair off. Like, I'm not like mad because I wanted this and this is what I wanted and I got what I wanted, and I actually think it came out really nice. My curls look so freaking beautiful. The cut itself is really nice. I got the face framing layers, everything that I wanted. But it is so short and I've never had my hair this short, and I feel low-key like a 12-year-old girl. But I'm trying to, you know, I don't know. I really have to get used to it. I'm trying to channel my inner Ayanna Lewis. If you don't know who she is, she just always has short curly hair and she's so beautiful, but oh my God. And sorry for the loud ass children downstairs, but I also think it'll look a little bit different once I wash and style it on my own. But yeah, I really have to get used to this.